Hi friends, today let's learn to make some burger rolls. The ingredients are given above. Here we have to make a rocks, that is a paste which we mix in the dough. First we keep aside the yeast mixed with milk and sugar at room temperature. The milk should be a little warm and keep it aside for rising. Then we make the rocks with the help of flour, water and milk. So we make a paste of this. I have tried this method and I really found the super soft texture of the bread. We make the paste a little semi thick, not very thick, and keep it aside because once it cools down it becomes thicker. So now we take the flour and add some salt and the eggs, beaten eggs. Now eggs you can keep 1 tablespoon aside for the egg washed in the end, and then we add the yeast. Only if it is risen, please use it. Make another fresh yeast mixture with a little bit of milk and mix it with your hands, but when you add the milk, add little by little. I think I just added the milk all together here, due to which it took me a lot of time to bind it together. So you use milk very little by little just to bind it and make the paste. And in case it turns out too sticky, you can use some flour. Do not use too much of flour again. And then finally apply and also keep adding some butter in between. You can see the instructions that I've given. The butter as well as the rocks, everything is made into a dough, into a soft dough, and kept aside for at least 2 hours. Even if you keep for 4 hours, that is nice. Grease the bowl and the dough with oil. Once it's become double or triple, you can again knead it. Remove the air from it by beating it, patting it. And see here I've taken the dough in a chapati rolling board and I divided the dough equally. I kept aside some dough as I just required around 6 to 7 burgers. So you make the burgers of your size. While dividing the dough, you can divide it as per the size of burgers you require. You can even make mini burgers or big ones, but remember that the burger ones are going to rise. So do not make it too big or it will get huge. And grease your baking tin. Keep the rolls a little apart from each other. Give them space so that there is enough space for them to rise. And then while making the balls, roll out the dough. Roll it out in this manner which I showed you, so that they form nice layers inside, and just even them nicely. Give them a good polish. Cover them and keep it aside for 45 minutes or till they rise. Now give them a good egg wash. Mix those egg kept aside with water to make the egg wash as mentioned here, and top them with sesame seeds or till seeds as we say. You can skip the till seeds if you do not like it, and then keep them in a preheated oven at now 90 degrees. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. Just keep checking, see that they don't turn too brown. Adjust the upper and lower heat in case you feel they're turning brown. And once you remove, brush them with butter well and cover them with a moist cloth so they retain the softness of the bread. Now you can see the pores and the softness of the bread, and you can use it as you like it. They even taste better the next day. So I hope you like watching this, friends. Do comment and like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.